Hey, Robert Locke here, and welcome to the study method. Are you sick of bad grades? Tired of struggling through your exams? Do you still get bad results, even when you study hard? If so, you've come to the right place. Here at the study method, we've helped thousands of students in our exclusive workshops over the past couple of years. Students who failed exams. Students who've come to us because school and college is literally driving them crazy. Now, with the release of our new study guide, we can help you too. In fact, we believe our study guide to be so effective that we can solve your problems in just 3 hours. Why 3 hours? Because 3 hours is the amount of time it will take you to read this guide and start putting these techniques into practice. With the study method, we've developed a whole new way of learning. The study method combines the most powerful memory systems with the most effective study techniques. Together, these systems integrate the left, logical, and right, visual sides of the brain. And once you've developed the ability to use both sides of your brain together, an amazing thing will happen. You will be able to remember an enormous amount of information, and, at the same time, you will develop superb memory recall. In fact, no matter what you're studying, whether it's biology, history, psychology, or a foreign language, the study method will give you all the skills you need to study effectively. The result? Learn anything you want with incredible ease. Our guide provides students with the very best study techniques out there. These techniques are so effective and easy to learn, you'll be able to unlock your full potential as fast as possible. And once you understand these amazing study strategies, you'll be able to do the following with ease. Develop excellent focus, defeat procrastination, improve your memory by 1,000%. Now that's serious. Not only that, you'll increase your concentration, conquer time management, learn effective note-taking strategies, live a stress-free life, and get awesome grades. Now, who doesn't want that? Whether it's your SATs, college exams, or professional qualifications, you'll have absolutely no problem studying for any test or exam, no matter how difficult. In fact, you'll become so effective at studying, you'll literally transform your mind into a supercomputer and unleash your inner genius. Your friends will be amazed, your parents and teachers speechless. You'll be able to learn with no stress, no headaches, and lots of fun. Imagine passing exams with ease, learning a new language, and being able to remember every important piece of information in your textbook. With the study method, all this is possible and more. We call it learning made easy.